Hello dear students, today I am going to explain you the questions from exercise 2.4. This exercise contains 10 word problems of linear equation in one variable. So in this video I am going to explain you first 5 word problems. Let us start with the first question. Amina thinks of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? So here first we have to suppose the variable, and variable will be what the number which she thought. Okay, so let the number be x, this number she thought. Okay, and next is subtract 5 by 2 from it. Now from this x she subtracted 5 by 2. Okay, and then whatever the difference is she multiplied it by 8. Okay, then the product of these two she got 3 times the same number she thought x, so she got its 3 times. Okay, so in this manner we formed a equation. You should know how to form an equation by reading the question once or twice thoroughly. So now we are going to solve this equation. 8 multiplied by x and 8 multiplied by 5 by 2. Okay, now this 8 will get cancelled by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So here 4 5s are 20. Now next we will get 8x minus 20 equals to 3x. Now this term will be transposed here. So as it is positive here, so it will become negative here. So it will be 8x minus 3x equals to 20. Now next is 8x minus 3x is 5x equals to 20. Now this 5 and x are in multiplication, so 5 will be transposed. So 20 will be divided by 5. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. So that means x equals to 4. 4 is the number which she thought. Okay, I hope you all have understood. So next move to the next question. Next question is, a positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new number found become twice the other new number. What are the numbers? So again here we have to begin with the variable. A positive number is 5 times another number. So 5 times of another number, so we will suppose this another number. Okay, so let the another number is x. So the positive number will be 5x because it is given 5 times. So 5 times of x is 5x. Now let us go to the next statement. 21 is added to both the number x plus 21, 5x plus 21. So when it is added, so 5x plus 21 will become the twice of the other new number. Okay, so what are the numbers? See, in this manner we have got this equation. Now we are going to solve it. First open this bracket and multiply 2 by x and 2 by 21. Okay, 5x plus 21 equals to 2x plus 42. Now in next statement what we are going to do, we are going to transpose this 2x on the left hand side and 21 on the right hand side. So this 2x is positive, it will become negative here. 5x minus 2x equals to 42 minus 21. So 5 minus 2 is 3x and 42 minus 21 is 21. Now x equals to 21 upon 3, so it is equals to 7. So we got x, that is another number is 7, and that positive number which is it's 5 times, so 7 5s are 35. So we got these two numbers. Hope you understood. Let's go to the next question. Sum of the digits of 2-digit number is 9. 2-digit number is having 2 digit obviously. So the sum of those will be 9. When the digits are interchanged, when we interchange the digit, it is found that resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? So here, let the digit at ones place of 2-digit number be let the digit at ones place of 2-digit number be x. So therefore the digit at the tens place will be 9 minus x. Let us take example of this. For example, 2-digit number be 45. I am taking example. This is not the answer. So its sum means 4 plus 5, which is equals to 9. Its sum is 9. So here we have suppose this ones place number as x. So other number will be 9 minus x. Okay. So here the digit at the tens place will be 9 minus x. Now the next statement. So how that 2-digit number is formed? If we expand ones and tens place. So 10's place plus 1 into 1 plus 1. So here in this manner we are going to expand the digit at tens place, 10 multiplied by digit at tens place plus ones place digit. Okay. So here tens place digit is 9 minus x. So it is 10 into 9 minus x plus x. So this is the original number. Now the condition is if the digit are reversed, that means x will come at tens place and 9 minus x will come at ones place. They are reversed. So now the new number which is formed is 10x plus 9 minus x. According to the question, new number formed is 27 greater than the original number. Okay. So now we will get the equation. New number is 10x plus 9 minus x equals to 10 into 9 minus x plus x plus 21. Now we are going to solve this equation. Open the bracket, 10x plus 9 minus x. Now here 10 will be multiplied. 10 into 9 is 90 minus 10 into x is 10x plus x plus 21. Now see here 10x minus x is 9x plus 9 and here 90 plus 27 is 117 and minus 10x plus x is minus 9x. Now again we are going to transpose it. 9x plus this minus 9x will come on the left hand side and this positive 9 will come on the right hand side. So 9x plus 9x equals to 18x and 117 minus 9 is 108. So x equals to 108 upon 18 which is equals to 6. Now this is the digit at ones place and the digit at tens place is 9 minus x which is equals to 3. So number will be 36. Okay. We can also keep this value of 6 in this original number. Here how you can get? It is given to 10x. 10 minus 10 into 9 minus x. So 9 minus x. X is 6. So 9 minus x is 3. So 3 into 10 30. 30 plus 6 36. So by any method you can solve. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Question number 4. One of the two digits of 2-digit number is 3 times the other digit. Now here again we have to take ones place and tens place number. Okay. If you interchange the digit of two digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you get 88. What is the original number? Let the ones place digit of two digit number be x. Means its ones place number be x. So in the question it is given it is 3 times the other number. So the tens place the digit is 3x as it is 3 times the number. Now how we will get? We are writing two digit number like this. 10 into tens place digit plus ones place digit. So original number, how we are going to get original number? 10 into 3x plus x. So 3 tens are 30 and x. So 30x plus x, which is equals to 31x. Okay, this is the original number. Now the condition is if you interchange the digit. If you interchange the digit, that means now this 3x will become ones place digit and x will become tens place digit. So new number will be 10x plus 3x. So it is 13x. Okay. Now according to the question, if you add these two, that means original number and new number, you are going to get 88. Okay. So 13 plus 31 is 44. So it is 44x. 44 is x equals to 88. So x equals to 88 upon 44, which is the value 2. Okay. Now hence we can get the original number as we got the value of x as 2. Keep here in 31. Keep here in 31. X value of 2. So 31 into 2 is 62. See students, if you have any doubt in this, why we are writing 10, so let me again tell you, this is ones place, tens place. So if we want to expand this, suppose I am having a number, any number for same number 45. Okay, so if I am going to expand, so 4 into 10 plus 5. In this manner we are expanding because this 4 is at tens place. So that's why we are multiplying it by 10. So this is the tens place number, this is the ones place number. So that's why we are multiplying by 10. I hope now you have understood. So let us move to the next question. Question number 5. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their ages? Now here we need to think whose age we have to suppose. Shobo's mother's age is 6 times Shobo's present age. So we have to think Shobo's present age. So let the Shobo's present age be x years. So his mother's age will be 6 years because it is 6 times of Shobo's age. Now see the question. Question is after 5 years. That means 5 years from now. That means 5 years. So we will add 5 to the Shobo's age. After 5 years, Shobo's age will be 1/3 of Shobo's mother present age. So Shobo's mother present age is 6x. So its 1/3 is 1/3 multiplied by 6x. In this manner we are going to get the equation x plus 5 equals to 2x. Now here 5 equals to 2x minus x, which is x equals to 5. So that means Shobo's age is 5 years and mother's age is 6 into 5, that is 30 years. Okay, I hope you have understood. So you can once or twice you see the video, then copy the question and try to do it yourself. Okay, thank you.